For some time now we have offered leasing to our hospital customers, but we now have direct access to our own portal, so we can quickly generate proposals and comparisons over different periods and provide proposals with and without maintenance. So here, let's give you a quick demo right now. So here we are, we're going to do a really quick example. Test hospital, finance lease. So let's just put in a round figure, £5,000 for the equipment. That include the VAT, and it's going to be a 3-year deal. So 1 advance payment, 35 regular payments, and we're going to calculate that. And so straight away there we can see £200 per month, and so that figure actually does include the VAT. So it will give us, when we print the quote off, it will tell you exactly what the arrangement is, and then behind the portal is all the documentation process, which is very straightforward. So whoever is managing the lease application on behalf of the hospital will get full tracking documents and so forth. They can check on there, check the progress, they'll get updates. So very convenient. And we can also just create a comparison. So if you have a budget to work to, click on the comparison. So here we've got a 1 plus 35, that's 3 years. Let's try a 4-year deal, so 1 plus 47. And we're going to calculate. And you can straight away see that the difference is £200 a month or £157 per month.